Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach Classic Shoulder Bag, style number 9170. This bag was made in the US in 1997 and it's in the color Mahogany. So this is a shoulder bag. As you can see, the straps are adjustable up here along the strap. Up top you can adjust the strap. And it does come with the matching two-sided hang tag, so it says Coach on both sides of the hang tag. So here's the front, it's got a flap closure. Here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back. And then when we turn it over, I'll show you the inside pockets. So it's got a slip pocket under the front flap right here. And then it's also got a zip closure along the interior of the bag, a zip pocket, I mean. And here's a photo of the Creed, which is along that zip pocket on the inside of the bag. So that is the Vintage Coach Classic Shoulder Bag, style number 9170. And this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in the description box in case you wanted to check it out. Otherwise, thanks for watching.